Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online purchases. This time, we're reviewing the 3 best oil sprayers for cooking on Amazon. Give it a like and stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend as the best. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. The 3rd position goes to Flairosol Olivia Oil Sprayer for Cooking. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Flairosol Olivia Oil Sprayer for Cooking allows you to apply oil and other liquids in a fine, even mist, providing precise control over portions with each spray. Its glass bottle is durable and food-safe, and the built-in filter prevents nozzle clogging, while the anti-drip design keeps surfaces clean. It works with olive oil, avocado oil, vinegar, soy sauce, and more, making it versatile for frying, baking, grilling, salads, and drizzling. Buying this product is important because it helps reduce oil usage for healthier cooking while ensuring even coverage. The reusable design and wide-mouth refill bottle make it convenient and eco-friendly, and the fine mist preserves the flavor and quality of your oils while giving you better control over cooking results. Number 2 is Flairosol Olivia, the original advanced oil sprayer for cooking. The Flairosol Olivia Original Advanced Oil Sprayer for Cooking delivers a continuous, ultra-fine mist of oil with precise portion control, allowing you to evenly coat pans, salads, vegetables, and meats while using less oil. Its advanced fan spray nozzle and ergonomic trigger produce a consistent spray, and the durable, food-safe glass bottle is easy to refill. The built-in filter and anti-drip, leak-proof design keep the sprayer working smoothly and your kitchen clean. Buying this product is important because it helps control oil usage for healthier cooking while maintaining flavor and texture. The reusable, propellant-free design is eco-friendly and economical compared to aerosol cans, and its versatility allows use with oils, vinegar, and other liquids for frying, grilling, baking, or dressing dishes, with a clear bottle to monitor contents and preserve quality. And the 1st position goes to Trendplane 16 ounces per 470 milliliters glass olive oil sprayer for cooking. The Trendplane 16 ounces per 470 milliliters glass olive oil sprayer for cooking is a versatile kitchen tool that lets you apply oils and other liquids with precision. Its 2-in-1 design provides a fine mist for even coating and a steady pour for measured use, reducing waste and preventing overoiling. The large glass bottle holds 16 ounces of oil, and the tinted glass preserves freshness. It has a non-slip base, ergonomic design, and is dishwasher safe, making it convenient for frying, grilling, baking, roasting, and salad dressing. Buying this product is important because it promotes healthier cooking by controlling oil usage and managing calorie intake. The durable, reusable glass is eco-friendly and safer than plastic, while the dual mist and pour functionality and easy cleaning make it a practical, long-lasting addition to any kitchen. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 oil sprayers for cooking that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description and the first comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.